important role in today's world of cybercrime because everything in today's world is connected with internet, and artificial intelligence has increased or given the privilege to cyber criminals. They start automated attacks. What is automated attacks now? With the help of artificial intelligence, cyber criminals are just executing the attacks fast because they have used AI tools to automate it, the vulnerabilities scanning and executing the real-time attacks. Artificial intelligence not only help them to attack, to attack the victim fast, but they also has given the power to execute the vast data and tell them that here is the vulnerabilities and easily the attacks can execute it. Although one more point I want to edit it is malware. Now, cyber criminals are using artificial intelligence to create a malware that goes undetectable with the current firewalls they have, or we can say it goes undetectable with the antivirus we are using. So, artificial intelligence helping cyber criminals in various ways. Second example I want to give you is that deepfake and dark web is totally new, and deepfake. Deepfake helping the cyber criminals. Deepfake is just the subset of artificial intelligence, and with the help of deepfake, cyber criminals are creating exactly the same copy of audio or videos and using it, but it's just creating the same copy means it you can find it very realistic, but it goes entirely fabricated. The content, their audio or the video they are making, they are entirely fabricated. It's not real. It's just a fake video. They are using someone else's voice or someone else's audio to create a video, and that video is not having a decent content. So they are making the content that ruining the image of people, that are causing the wars, that can change the game of politics, that can harm anyone's personal image, personal life. And this artificial intelligence software for creating the fabricated video or audio is easily available in market. One more thing I want to say, that artificial intelligence are cyber criminals are using the artificial intelligence to attack in real time. As I said earlier, that scanning the total vulnerabilities options are there available in market, but cyber criminals are using the artificial intelligence to identify that which attack suits the person or the business or the entire company. It enhances the capacity of phishing attacks. How? Cyber criminals using artificial intelligence first to totally what we can say that first they totally just scanning the data, and secondly from the vast data they are creating the mimic copy of communication style of an individual. Through that it's hard to identify that the conversation that we are getting is from a person or from artificial intelligence help. Secondly, chat box. In today's time, chat box is available on many sites or many applications. That chat box are using very smartly to extract the sensitive data from someone by manipulating them, asking them for the phone numbers or OTPs. So it opens the various doors for the cyber criminals. It enhancing the phishing attacks, the value of phishing attack. First, we can easily identify that that person is not exactly the same who is messaging us. But in today's time, the mail style artificial intelligence help them to create the man-made or human kind of email patterns, designing in a particular way that you can easily say that this mail I received from that person because his or her mailing style has the same pattern. So through artificial intelligence, cyber criminals are analyzing each and every point so that they can target their individual businesses or individual personality. So as we know that cyber criminals are using artificial intelligence for attacking us, so we can also use the technology to defend ourselves. Like as we discussed in previous question that they are using to scan the various vulnerabilities, we can use the artificial intelligence to analyze the vast data and executing and or analyzing the behavior pattern of the data, that where unauthorized access is given, at which point unauthorized access is there, or where the data is tampering. We can use that technology, artificial intelligence. With the help of artificial intelligence, we can do it in a couple of minutes. Secondly, we can use blockchain technology for that. Blockchain technology is basically known for decentralized, or we can say that it is used for decentralized and tamper-resistant nature, through which we can say we can communicate our business operations or important process, business cycle operation, financials operation, every important operation in the business. We can use blockchain technology because it is something that is tempered resistance and help us to make our data or everything so safe and private, so that we can protect them from being getting manipulated. We can also use cloud system technology because it's something very much safer. Plus, if we can also put up a layer of data inscription on cloud computing platform, that help us to protect our data more and more. Secondly, we can also use artificial intelligence incidence data driven. What I want to say is there is a vast data one every company has, and let's divide the data in small segment, micro segment. Once we divided the entire data in micro segment and starting networking from there, so that if one part of the data or of the network is tampered, the other can remain safe. Secondly, we can use multi-level factor authentication for every part, and never an organization or a business never feels that they are completely safe. They should have the policy of zero trust architecture. That means always go for always use artificial intelligence to analyze your data at a regular interval of time. Never believe that time my data is secure, so now also my data or my company, everything is secured. You need to check it multiple times. You need to update the machine learning programming so that any new malware in the market can be identified by the machine or by the network that you are using it. Secondly, we can say phishing detection tool we should have in our business that help us, or that can give the warning to the employees that this link, that this mail can contain a phishing link or some harmful activities. There can be a malware. So we should use the technology to defend ourselves. Like criminals are using the technology to attack us, and we should use the that part of technology to protect us. There are multiple ways we can protect our things.